How is it going, guys? Today we're going to talk about the one and only
Consomme Punchy.
Punchy is an eccentric humanoid dog from the mimetic Colby's potato chip commercials. He appears in the Frollo show as an ally. Personality. While not much is known about Consomme Punchy, and despite how weird he is, he's most likely a friendly and fun-loving dog, as seen when he tries to cheer up Frollo. However, Consomme Punchy's true motives are revealed in Frollo finally does it. He is actually a being similar to, and who is in league with Ronald McDonald that destroyed his home universe. His real personality was also revealed, now writing his signs in English and tricking various characters into moving Ronald's plan forward. Powers and abilities added. Consomme Punchy laughs at reality's face, as he can transform his face into a baby doll head and can walk on walls and roofs. When fighting, Consomme Punchy can shoot sad doll heads from a huge ear, and juggle anyone. This was all before it was revealed he had reality warping powers, meaning he had much more powers than this. Appearance. Consomme Punchy is a large, bipedal dog with shaggy white fur, long floppy ears, black eyes and nose, and of course, a tail. Relationships. Consomme Punchy comforted Frollo when he was sad by demonstrating his abilities to Frollo's profound amusement. They then did the brothers pose, and Consomme Punchy attended Frollo's birthday party. Easily one of Frollo's closer friends. Though this friendship is likely a way to better manipulate Frollo. Wilford grimly. Consomme Punchy gives Wilford the sign that it is time to absorb Madatsuki's grief once again, implying that this is not the first time he has given Wilford information. However, this is to manipulate him into absorbing too much grief and dying. Ronald McDonald. Consomme Punchy is a member of Ronald's club and has been doing his bidding since the very beginning. Haruai Suzumiya. Consomme Punchy seems to have a slight crush on her, as Haruai was on the pink bed observing Wilford. Consomme Punchy came to see her, holding a sign that says "You're cute" at that angle. This implies he thinks she's attractive. Trivia. Consomme Punchy's name is Mondegreen from the type of flavor the Colby potato chips are. Consomme Punch, pronounced Consomme Punchy. Chincherinus revealed on his Ask FM that it was Consomme Punchy who gave Chris Bors and Best Hercules the VHS copy of The Room in Bors reviews.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Okay.